In this short video, I will show you how to search the Colorado House and Senate Journals digital collection sponsored by the University of Colorado Law Library. We also have the capability of searching inside this book. We can look for a keyword, or we can enter in the bill number, which in this case happens to be 1137, and click search. And if you notice now we have all these little balloons that drop down onto places in the House Journal where the search term 1137 appears. So for this particular search, we'll both get entries for House Bill 1137, but also any occurrence where the term 1137 appears. That can also mean page number. But if we click on the bubbles, the little balloons, we can see where our entries begin. Here is a committee on reference. Let's go ahead and make that larger. And we can see this is House. The Committee on Judiciary recommends that House Bill number 1137 be amended. And here is the committee's report. And we can flip to the next page if we want to see the rest of the report. So that is one approach in order to find entries where the House bill appears in the House Journal. But there is another solution to this problem. We can actually start from the session law itself. So we're going to go back to our digital archive. And this time we're going to look for the session law itself. And we were in 1976, so if you were starting here, this would be a faster way to get there. And that was on page 314. And we click on search. And here's the entry for that year. And here is the act itself. If we scroll to the bottom of the entry, we see this details drop-down menu, where we see the information we saw before in terms of it. This act started on page 294, it's chapter 34. But we also see these two entries, bill in House and bill in Senate. So if you want to see where in the House Journal this bill is discussed, you simply need to click on this link, and it will open to the House Journal, and it'll look for occurrences where that bill appeared using the bill number plus a little bit more sophisticated search term. So we're likely to get fewer false positives. Each of these entries should in fact represent where House Bill 1137 is discussed. So there you have it. There are two different ways in which you can look up a session law in the House and Senate journals. If you have any additional questions, please let us know in the Law Library. Thank you.